Panting dogs. Okay, we are here at a cute little dog store. They want to go in, so I'm super excited. I have lipstick on. Let's go. Happy 14th to number 14. Baby, happy birthday. She does not like being filmed. It's Cyndi's birthday. Super duper excited. She is 14. So I'm just finishing up getting ready, and then we will do some festivities. This weekend will be really cool because I'm going to see all my friends this weekend. Cyndi, Sebastian, my horse. They're all animals. My shower cap. I like to document this kind of stuff, and I hope that you enjoy. I tried to do a TikTok, but I don't know how to do TikTok. I'm probably not gonna do that anymore. Don't fake it, fake it, fake it. Lips are overlined. I only have one product on my lips. It's just this Pat McGrath lip liner in contour. Yep, Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil. That's all I have going on my lips. I found dog ice cream for Cyndi, and it's mixed berry ice cream. So I'm thinking that I'm craving some raspberry pie with vanilla bean ice cream, which is the best combo in the world. And it's almost fall, so it's pretty appropriate, even though today it's very warm. Every time I go to the dollar store after I've been anywhere else, I'm like, why didn't I come here first? Everything's $1.
William, come here, there's a cow.
What is this? Swirl decorations? Oh, I don't want to take all this stuff down though. I didn't pull my camera out at the mall because I felt like there were not enough people in there. I went to Claire's for the first time in like decades, and I just wanted to buy some things for the party. I'm just gonna empty this bag because everything's crinkling. First, I just went for these ears because they'll match my outfit. Puts me in a party mood, doesn't it? And then I purchased this headband for working out. I wanted to get one with donuts on it because while I'm doing 12-3-30, donuts are like my only motivation to keep going sometimes. And then this crown, how cute is this? I'm gonna have a birthday one day. So this is cuter than the crown that I have. I honestly overpaid for this one, but it gets better. So with the crown, obviously I had to get a matching wand. And do I just hate money? So when I went to pay, they said that if you get 3 hair pieces, you get 3 for free. So I also purchased 3 more. I got this headband because it's a hard headband. And I think that these are cute, and I might end up wearing one day. Especially if the price is right, like free. And then I got 2 more soft headbands. This one has unicorns on it and ice cream, mostly purchased for the ice cream. Balloons are cool too. There's a magic wand, I didn't realize. And then this fake Versace print. I had a hairnet that looked like this. I don't know why I like this decor on my head so much. And then I purchased this pen, which also I overpaid. But I tried to make one of these. I did like a DIY pen, and mine came out so bad that I'm going to continue to overpay. That's not for me. Why did I go to the mall? I went to the mall because I just needed soap. I love Bath & Body Works Black Cherry Merlot. That's my favorite soap. But every time you go in, oh my goodness, like they try to sell you on everything. You could spend $500 at Bath & Body Works, and they're like,
oh wait, we have this too. Oh, try this, smell this, smell this. What are you here for?
Black Cherry Merlot soap.
Oh, if you like Black Cherry Merlot, you will love coconut ginger.
Like, no, I mean, no. It's always a bit much. But I did purchase Black Cherry Merlot soap, and then I did find some candles. The 3-wick candles were $12.95, so I just decided to purchase some of those. It's a really good sale. I think they're $24.95 originally, so I got some pumpkin scented candles already. And then I went to the dollar store. On my way out, I turned around and went back in line, which at that point had been a very long line. But I got this for work. I just need a bag for work, like a really cheap one. Someone's watching me vlog. Just tune into my channel. And this bag is really cute, and it was $1. Obviously, it's the dollar store. But it has a pink strap, and then this I just thought was really cute. See, it has Cyndi with a fake tan, my sister's dog, a cat. Sebastian in a disguise. The real Sebastian. Okay. I'm making a Marie Callender pie, so I'm totally just using this. It is made already. I don't know how to make this, but it's ready to bake. All I do is remove the plastic. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. Thaw the pie for 5 minutes at room temperature, and then pierce the center of the pie. So it's thawing right now. I'm using my baking sheet for frozen grapes right now, so I've gotta get creative. I want to feel like Snow White, so the holes that I put into the pie are going to be in the shape of a star. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Oh no! My baking dish is literally being used. Oh my goodness, this pie crust is broken in a million pieces. You could do like an egg wash on the crust or something to make it good, but honestly this pie is so perfect it doesn't need any help. Moment of honesty, someone's gotta take the lead tonight. Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna sit right here and tell you all that comes to me. If you want something to say, you should say it right now. Happy birthday, little girl. Happy birthday. It's a girl. Are you a girl? Apparently the theme for this party is 2014 Ariana Grande. What? I had an idea, but the execution is very what I just said. Chick-fil-A for dinner, of course. So now I'm baking pie. Birthday pie, way better than birthday cake in my opinion. Cyndi's too, probably. I bought some natural toys. I don't know what makes them natural. They look a little bit more spooky. Jen, here. It said they squeak. Here you go. Oh geez, hey, no. This one's for you. Sit. This one's for you. This one's for you. Happy birthday. She's like, this is it? Aren't you glad I got all dolled up so I could feed my pet dogs? So I have this new food. It is like human grade food, which I don't really know what that means because people eat McDonald's and people eat like junk all the time. But this is like, it looks like this. It smells even worse than it looks. They were not eating their food and I don't know if it's because it's hot outside or what have you. Oh shoot, okay, so what's the math? A quarter patty a day. So it's half of that, an eighth would be their meal because they already had breakfast. And an eighth is a quarter. Yes, buddy. They get very excited for this food, which makes me happy because it's stressful to watch them not eat. I'm going to use some of the food which you guys are sitting on. Sorry, one sec. Very high quality production. I've been feeding them this for a couple days now and they took it really well. There's no dietary indication that they don't like it, so that's good. So I'll feed these babies some food. Cyndi's 14, Sebastian's 4, so I definitely feed her first because she's the alpha. Well, I'm the alpha, and then Sebastian, he thinks he is, so I like to feed the girl first, and then the boy, I make him do a trick before I feed him. It's just something I read on keeping him to know his place. No, Sebastian, hey. That's yours. Good boy. Yes, they used to not be excited to eat dinner, so ever since I switched to this really good food, they've been so excited, which makes me really happy. Yay! Beats skipping meals, that's for sure. The candles are melting. I'm taking that out. It's cute in theory. Okay, so that wax, is that even safe? I mean, that'll be fine. I'll just let that cool. And then here are their ice creams. So I guess I'll serve this now. This cookie is a dog cookie, but I don't want to give them too much stuff, you know, they might get. My Little Pony. This looks like a scene in Twilight. Maybe Jennifer's body. Oh, these actually smell really good. Thank you for stopping me at this bush. Beautiful. I said bye. Bye, baby girl.